Hey y'all, so today I decided to make me some curry chicken and I just love, girl, I've been sweating in the kitchen. Look at the sweat on my face, girl. I'm just so fat. It was good though. Anyway, with all these germs and stuff going around, I was like, okay, let me make me something hearty, add a lot of love and care to it for myself and a lot of herbs. So I only have, I think that was like some canola oil. Normally I use grapeseed oil, but yeah, there we go. I'm gonna add a little bit more in a little bit, but I'm just gonna saute my seasonings first because I wanna bring out those flavors. And when I'm making curry chicken, yes, I use a lot of curry. Now this one is a brand that I don't generally use, but I think it was all I had left over in my cabinet, so we're gonna put it to work. And this is some, I want to say it's rosemary powder, and then I also have actual rosemary, so I'm gonna add that in here whenever I find it. Now I had me some alfalfa close by. I love alfalfa. I cook it in like almost all my dishes now, and there's my rosemary. Was it thyme? I don't know. One of them. I'm pretty sure it's thyme. I think it's thyme. Yes, thyme. So I had some thyme, ground thyme, and then I had some whole thyme. I dropped some turmeric in there. Um, it's a lot of great properties in turmeric all around. And this is something I'm just gonna start doing like once a week because curry just really is one of my favorite dishes, and I'm the only one that eats it. So that's why I don't cook it much. But anyway, um, gonna let those cook down. Add a little bit more oil. Then I add. I think I had like a little mixture of Italian seasoning or something. Um, Lots of garlic powder. A little bit of that just because of the salt. I'm not really using a lot of salt in this, and that's going to give me the salt that I need. And I want to say that's some oregano. Child, I don't even remember. I might have put some damn chamomile in a jar. I got so many herbs and stuff. I just forgot all about it. I think that's what it is. But yeah, we gonna keep on riding. We gonna stick beside it. But anyway, it's browning up quite nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and grab me the peppers that I generally freeze, and these have lasted a while. So I ain't had to cut no peppers, and they taste pretty good. Yeah, drop some of them in there. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to go get me an onion to cut it up because how you gonna have the peppers without the onions? Of course, yeah. So we letting that thing cook down, and I had already cooked my kids' meal. Their meal is already on the other side of the stove. This is just for me. But anyway, got those red onions up in there. Just gonna drop them in there. This is generally the consistency I like for mine to be, but oh, don't forget your garlic. Now, if I had I normally put fresh garlic and ginger, but I don't have any ginger, so I got some nettle and some olive leaf I dropped in there. Now I'm going to drop my chicken thighs in there. I did not season them yet. I'm gonna go ahead and season them while they're in the pan because I just didn't feel like seasoning them where they were. And I'm just gonna flip them, add a little 1, 2 to both sides, and let them cook down. Now I was feeling a little experimental, so I decided to thicken up my sauce this time. Generally, that's the consistency I leave it at. I really don't normally add any type of flour to it, but this time it actually came out pretty good. I mean, it comes out good all the time, but I don't think I'll be adding flour anymore. But anyway, the taste. So yeah, I'm gonna flip my chicken and I'm gonna go ahead and add. And yes, I do like my skin on my chicken. To each is its own. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken up a little bit. Either way, it's gonna be cooked in all its goodness, so it's gonna have a lot of great flavor. I decided to add a little bit of coriander. I'm gonna let my chicken continue to brown and flip it, around and around. And then of course, eventually, after I get all the seasonings in the way I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit to it. So as you can see, it's starting to brown. You can see um, I don't have as much liquid left. Because I don't have any coconut milk, I'm going to add some coconut water. Because generally I normally, or just add, water. But I'm going to add a little coconut water. I don't like drinking it straight, so I didn't want it to go bad. And I was like, okay, go ahead and add it in here. And so with this consistency is generally the consistency that I like to cook my chicken in. But yeah, we're not doing that today. And I added a little oat flour. Now, if I do add it the next time, I'm not gonna add as much. But anyway, it was still good. Anyway, so I go ahead and mix it up some more and let it cook, continue to brown. It's only like 4 pieces of meat in there, but girl, it's gonna be so good. Mm-mm-mm. You can already see how it's sticking up. And that's pretty much a good consistency, in my opinion, but it got a little thicker, y'all. And I'm fine with it. It still tastes good. I thought about it, girl, you ain't put no ginger in there. Because generally, when I'm sauteing ginger, it's like I normally use whole ginger, but I don't have any. And yeah, this came out a little thicker, but I'm gonna stick beside it. So anyway, I did not have my allspice earlier. That was something I should have put in earlier as well. I feel like I'm working backwards now. But anywho, it's how you want to make it. I'm making mine with a lot of additional herbs because again, all these people walking around here coughing and sneezing and I don't want it. Now it's time to eat. I already got my rice in the cut that I cooked in my rice cooker. As you can see, we're gonna drop that thing on up in there. That don't down. girl, get you a little bit more rice. Yes. So anyway, I think it came out really, really good. We about to go ahead and drop that thing on that plate. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I should have put me some carrots and potatoes in there. But anyway, this how we made that thing today. Yes, God, honey. Yes, so I put my foot in that thing. But anyway, it was really, really good. Um, yeah, y'all have a blessed day.